Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet for agency. Scheduling difficulties are a major cause of clients' churn. People tend to look for better support when they have a hard time finding high-quality answers, and a streamlined scheduling tool helps them get the help they need quickly. Book more meetings with an easy scheduling tool that matches your brand. Embed Appointlet on your site and turn visitors into booked meetings. Send Appointlet links over email and stand out with easy scheduling. Connect your email calendar to prevent double bookings. Ensure your best agents spend time on your most important accounts. Control each team member's availability with custom schedules. Pull your sales team in a round robin for even meeting distribution. Assign priority status to lead sales team members. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.